Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to email a folder. Now, as you already should know, a folder in its normal form cannot be sent as an email. So to send it, we need to put it in a zip file. To do that, let's say we want to send this folder over an email. So just right click on it, then just click on show more options, then just click on send, then just click on compress zip folder, then just wait a little bit, and there you go, a zip folder has been created. Now inside email, we need to send this folder. So just go ahead and open up your browser, click on compress, then select the email that you want to send to, select the subject name, anything, and then just click on attachment right here, which is used to attach files. Then just click on desktop or wherever your folder is located, the zip file, then just select it and click on open. Then as you can see, the folder has been uploaded as a zip file. Then you can just click on send. And that's basically it. And that is how to send a folder over an email. And that's basically it. And that is how to email a folder. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.